Modern woodworking has reached a whole new level with machines that combine speed, precision, and automation. This video highlights advanced CNC routers, panel saws, planers, and edgebanders that make producing furniture, cabinets, and custom wood pieces faster, easier, and more accurate. These machines handle complex cuts and detailed designs while reducing manual labor and mistakes. With smart controls, durable construction, and professional-grade performance, they help woodshops increase efficiency and output. From small workshops to large production lines, these modern woodworking machines are reshaping traditional processes and showing how technology is driving the future of the craft. SCM/XL XL. The SCM/XL XL is a powerhouse in modern woodworking, built to handle heavy-duty timber construction and cross-laminated timber panels with unmatched speed and precision. This double-end profiling machine can square, profile, and cross-cut panels in a single pass, saving significant time compared to traditional methods. Its robust frame eliminates vibration, while the chain transport system ensures smooth handling of large panels. Equipped with multiple high-power electrospindles, it can process dense timber effortlessly, even panels over 18 meters long. The intuitive IM Prime touchscreen and Maestro Active Square software make controlling the machine straightforward, reducing setup time and boosting efficiency. In industrial timber workshops, the CELASCHI XL is transforming production by combining raw power, accuracy, and user-friendly operation. For companies looking to scale up CLT panel manufacturing, this machine represents a future-ready solution that balances performance, precision, and productivity, making it an essential asset for modern timber construction. Weinig Hydromat 3000. The Weinig Hydromat 3000 is a high-performance four-sided planing and molding machine designed for industrial solid wood processing. Built with a heavy-duty frame, it minimizes vibration while maintaining consistent surface quality even at feed speeds up to 100 meters per minute. The machine can handle beams, profiles, and moldings with precision, making it ideal for complex woodworking tasks. Its modular design allows seamless integration with automation systems like PowerMech and PowerCom Plus, enhancing workflow efficiency and output. Advanced tooling options and the HydroLock counterbearing system enable quick tool changes and reliable operation during long production runs. With a working range from 10 mm to 160 mm in height and 20 mm to 230 mm in width, plus frequency-controlled feed rates, the Hydromat 3000 supports both straight and profile jointers. This combination of durability, speed, and configurability makes it a professional-grade solution for workshops aiming to boost productivity while maintaining top-quality results in high-volume solid wood operations. Nanxing NKB2812. The Nanxing NKB2812 is a fully automated cardboard box closing machine designed to streamline packaging for panel furniture and woodworking manufacturers. Unlike cutting or routing tools, this system focuses on the final stage of production, providing fast, secure, and consistent carton closure to protect finished products during storage or shipment. Its all-steel frame combined with servo motor control ensures reliability even under heavy-duty use. By automating the sealing process, the NKB2812 reduces labor requirements, cuts material waste, and increases overall workflow efficiency. The machine's precise and rapid closing action makes it ideal for high-volume woodshops aiming to maintain quality while boosting output. Integrated as part of Nanxing's intelligent production solutions, it complements other woodworking machinery to create a smoother, faster, and more cost-effective operation. For modern furniture and panel manufacturers, the NKB2812 is not just a packaging tool, it's a productivity enhancer that ensures finished products are ready for transport with minimal effort. Rover CutGo SF. The BCAM Rover CutGo SF is a compact yet powerful panel sizing machine designed for modern woodworking workshops seeking precision and efficiency. Built to handle panels of wood and wood-based materials such as MDF, plywood, chipboard, and laminate, it delivers fast, accurate cuts with minimal manual effort. Unlike large CNC centers, this machine focuses on straightforward, reliable panel sizing, making it ideal for small to medium batch production where space is limited but quality cannot be compromised. Its automatic positioning, efficient blade systems, and user-friendly controls ensure smooth workflow and clean results every time. The compact footprint allows it to fit into tighter shop layouts, providing flexibility for furniture makers, bespoke woodworkers, and small workshops. With adaptable configurations, the Rover CutGo SF balances performance, usability, and precision, making it a smart solution for woodworking spaces that demand high-quality output without the complexity of full-scale CNC programming. Felder G0999 Edgebander. The Felder G0999 Edgebander is a professional machine designed to bring speed, precision, and consistency to panel edge finishing. Part of Felder's G303 series, it handles cabinetry, casework, and other wood panels with ease. The intuitive 7-inch touchscreen allows operators to adjust glue temperature, material settings, and monitor machine status instantly. Equipped with a robust chain conveyor, pre-milling unit with diamond cutters, and corner rounding unit, it processes edges from 0.4 mm to 5 mm thick with smooth, splinter-free results. Workpieces up to 50 mm high can be handled without compromise, while the modular design lets shops add extra finishing units for buffing, joint scraping, or radius trimming. Pre-milling ensures precise cuts, while trimming and rounding reduce manual finishing time. Compact yet versatile, the G383 fits modern workshop layouts and boosts productivity. For woodworkers focused on consistent, high-quality edges, this Edgebander delivers professional results with reliability and efficiency. Laguna KX24 CNC Router. The Laguna KX24 CNC Router is a versatile 3-axis machine designed for hobbyists, beginners, and professional woodworkers looking for precision and flexibility. It features a 24-inch by 48-inch work area, ideal for furniture components, signage, decorative panels, and intricate woodworking projects. The 15.1-inch touchscreen controller provides an intuitive interface, allowing operators to run the router without an external computer. Its 1 HP electro spindle spins up to 24,000 revolutions per minute, making it capable of cutting wood, plastics, foam, and light non-ferrous metals. Integrated T-slots and replaceable MDF spoil boards simplify material hold-down, while automatic tool touch-off ensures precise bit calibration. Built with prismatic linear guides, ball screws, and dual-drive motors, the KX24 delivers smooth, accurate motion for both 2D and 3D cutting, carving, and shaping. Compact yet powerful, this CNC router combines ease of use with professional-grade performance, making it a practical solution for creative woodworking, custom cabinetry, and precision projects in small workshops or home studios. Grizzly G0999 15-inch 2 horsepower. The Grizzly G0999 15-inch 2 horsepower benchtop planer is a compact powerhouse designed to bring production-level planing to small workshops and garages. It handles boards up to 15-inch wide, making it one of the largest capacity benchtop planers available. Powered by a 2 horsepower induction motor, it can easily plane hardwoods and softwoods for tabletops, shelving, cabinets, and more. The spiral cutter head, with 32 indexable carbide inserts, delivers smooth, quiet cuts and tear-out-free surfaces, reducing sanding time significantly. Users can rely on the built-in digital thickness readout and micro-adjustable depth stop to set precise thicknesses consistently across multiple boards. A 2-speed feed gearbox allows choice between higher speed or finer finish, depending on the material and project requirements. Compact yet versatile, the G0999 fits into tight spaces without sacrificing performance. With its combination of wide capacity, powerful motor, and user-friendly precision features, this benchtop planer offers professional-grade results for serious woodworking projects. ShopBot Desktop MAX ATC. The ShopBot Desktop MAX ATC is a compact CNC router designed for small shops, makers, and educational workshops. It adds a 7-tool automatic tool changer, allowing projects to switch bits without stopping, saving time and improving precision. The 36-inch by 24-inch work area supports T-slot aluminum or vacuum decks, ideal for signs, furniture parts, and detailed profiling. Its machined aluminum frame with THK linear rails and dual Y-axis drives ensures stability and accuracy. The 1 horsepower spindle with ER20 tool holders handles a variety of materials, while the pneumatic drawbar and 7-position toolbar enable seamless tool changes. Requiring only 120 VC and a small air supply, it ships fully assembled with CAD and CAM software. Compact, versatile, and efficient, the Desktop MAX ATC brings professional-grade CNC performance to smaller workshops, reducing manual intervention and boosting productivity for multi-tool projects without compromising precision or workflow. Thermwood CabinetShop 43. The Thermwood CabinetShop 43 is a high-performance 3-axis CNC router designed for woodworking shops that need speed, precision, and efficiency. Built for nested-based cabinet production, custom furniture, doors, drawer fronts, and panel work, it delivers professional results on every job. Its fully stress-relieved steel frame with a fixed high-flow vacuum table and moving gantry ensures stable, vibration-free cutting, while multiple table sizes, from 4 feet by 8 feet to 5 feet by 20 feet, adapt to any workflow. The 12 horsepower HSD spindle, spinning from 3,000 to 24,000 revolutions per minute, handles wood, plastics, and composites with ease. An automatic tool changer, tool length measurement, and programmable pop-up pins keep production moving smoothly. Thermwood's supercontrol with smart router technology and control nesting software optimizes material usage and reduces waste. Compact yet powerful, the CabinetShop 43 combines automation, precision, and robust construction, making it ideal for high-volume custom cabinetry, furniture, and joinery work where accuracy, speed, and efficiency are essential for professional results. AXYZ LOADLINE Edge. The AXYZ LOADLINE Edge is an automated material handling system designed to streamline CNC routing workflows. It works alongside AXYZ CNC routers and knife-cutting machines to load and unload large sheets efficiently, keeping production continuous with minimal manual effort. The drag-based loading system handles heavy wood, plastics, metal panels, signage boards, and more, while automatically aligning sheets with tight tolerances to maximize material yield and reduce waste. Automatic offloading clears finished panels so the next sheet is ready for cutting, all managed by a single operator. This system eliminates heavy lifting, reduces labor costs, and minimizes operator fatigue. Ideal for cabinetry, woodworking, signage, and large panel production, the LOADLINE Edge removes workflow bottlenecks and keeps CNC routers cutting continuously. By automating sheet handling, alignment, and unloading, it improves efficiency, boosts throughput, and allows workshops to maintain high productivity while reducing manual strain, making it a smart upgrade for modern manufacturing and panel production environments. SCM Oikos XS650. The SCM Oikos XS650 is a high-performance 5-axis CNC machining center designed for modern timber construction and structural wood processing. It enables full 6-face machining in a single pass, eliminating the need to flip or reposition beams and saving significant production time. With a 5-axis head and automatic tool store, all necessary tools are ready, reducing downtime during complex operations. The machine handles large timber elements, making it ideal for glulam beams, roof structures, and timber frames that require tight precision. SCM's Maestro Lab Beam and Wall software works seamlessly with popular CAD systems, and the Maestro Active Beam and Wall HMI, giving flexible control from both PC and machine. Real-time monitoring is possible through Maestro Connect IoT, allowing operators to track productivity and machine health remotely. Combining advanced tooling, precise multi-face machining, and smart software, the Oikos XS650 delivers high efficiency, quality, and automation, making it a key solution for workshops focused on structural timber production. CENTATEQ P100. The HOMAG CENTATEQ P100 is a versatile CNC processing center built for woodworking shops seeking precision and efficiency. It handles routing, drilling, and complex joinery, making it ideal for cabinetry, doors, and custom wooden components. Its automatic tool changer and integrated tool management system keep multiple tools ready, reducing downtime and keeping production flowing. The software-optimized working field extends up to 1,600 mm in the Y direction, allowing large panels and furniture parts to be machined efficiently. Compact yet powerful, the machine fits small to medium-sized workshops, and flexible configurations let operators tailor it to specific needs. Optional multi-spindle drilling blocks, high-speed drilling, and grooving saw attachments enhance functionality. Combining automated tooling, precise operation, and an optimized workspace, the CENTATEQ P100 delivers reliable quality, consistent performance, and professional results, making it a smart solution for modern woodworking operations focused on productivity and precision. BCAM CNC BCM2130EA. The BCAM CNC BCM2130EA is a fully automated CNC router designed to streamline panel woodworking production. Equipped with an automatic loading and unloading system, it handles sheets from start to finish with minimal human intervention, making it ideal for high-volume shops producing cabinets, furniture, doors, and other wood components. Raw panels are picked up, positioned, machined, and unloaded seamlessly, reducing idle time and improving throughput compared to traditional manual workflows. The machine delivers high-accuracy routing and profiling for plywood, MDF, solid wood, and similar sheet materials, ensuring consistent results across batches. Its automated material handling system allows shops to scale production without increasing labor costs. With stable performance, precision cutting, and a fully integrated workflow, the BCM2130EA exemplifies modern woodworking automation. By combining robotics with CNC technology, it enhances efficiency, reduces manual strain, and maintains quality, making it a smart solution for furniture and cabinetry manufacturers looking to boost productivity while keeping operations streamlined and reliable. Techno CNC Systems LC Series. The Techno CNC Systems LC Series is a versatile lineup of CNC routers designed for woodworking and panel machining. Built with all-steel construction and precision ball screw technology on all axes, these machines offer rigidity, smooth motion, and repeatable accuracy for routing, engraving, and nested panel cutting. The series features a 12-horsepower automatic tool changer spindle with an 8-position tool rack and a high-performance pneumatically operated vacuum hood to hold panels securely during high-speed operations. 4-zone vacuum T-slot tables, digital AC servo motors, and precision linear rails ensure reliable, precise movement, all managed through an intuitive handheld controller. Available in popular sizes for cabinetry, furniture panels, and custom signage, the LC series combines professional-grade capability with cost-effectiveness. With durable construction, automated tooling, and precise control, these CNC routers boost productivity, maintain consistent quality, and provide a flexible solution for modern woodworking shops seeking efficiency and accuracy. SIBO Engineering DCS L700. The SIBO Engineering DCS L700 is a high-performance copying milling machine designed for automated wood profiling and mass-production woodworking. Part of SIBO's Italian-engineered DCS L series, it excels at producing shaped wooden components such as handles, brush parts, and other small profiles with consistent accuracy. The machine uses mechanical cam-guided cutters to follow precise patterns, ensuring repeatable profiles with minimal manual setup. Dual spindles can work simultaneously on flat wooden pieces, while the hydraulic feeding system and adjustable speeds optimize the milling cycle for faster production without compromising quality. Its robust construction and automation make it ideal for high-volume woodworking lines where precision and consistency are critical. The DCS L700 enables woodshops to produce a wide range of shaped components efficiently, from tool handles to specialty molded parts. Combining durability, automation, and reliable performance, this machine enhances productivity and accuracy, making it a valuable addition to modern woodworking operations focused on repeatable, high-quality wood profiling.